He doesn't want Kuya Jolo, he doesn't want to vote for her.
That's just carrying over from before. It's not
Hindi, liar ka na!
How do we, wait a minute. Before we take a vote, wait, how do we try to figure this out? Okay?
Hey, I'm.
My reasoning,
What's your-
She also voted for Tita Silvia.
Bahala ka.
She
Bahala
also
ka.
did that.
Okay.
And then when Jocko died, she was like,
Who you voted for, Tita Marivic?
yes.
Who are you voting
I
for?
think her partner is Lian.
Oh my God! Be smart! Ano ka ba? Sila yun!
What kind of reasoning is
Andali, who are you voting
You
for?
have to be careful with this, huh? Because
We have to be, no, we can't rush judgment here.
Why do people get so emotional
Oo
over
nga.
this?
What's the game about?
Game na.
Jolo, please, Jolo. Believe me, Jolo. Ay, huwag ka pa naman. Believe me. Jolo, believe me.
Okay, wait lang. So, tingin mo sino yung mafia?
Yan dalawang nga.
Yung dalawang yan. Tingin mo sino
Sigurado
yung
ako.
yung dalawa.
I think Tita Marivic, I don't know who
Maybe
the other
a big
one is,
mistake.
but right now,
Wait, you
si Ian,
can talk
kasi-
because you're dead.
Yes, you have been buried half alive.
I
Ay,
think
nako, Jolo.
si Ian, because he didn't want to vote for her.
It's
Ian
not
and
me.
Tita Marivic.
I'm trying to think clearly so that we don't die, okay?
Also, I tried to think clearly.
No, but you're the leader.
Oh, sige, fine, go.
Oh, Ten, what's your
I'm still
reasoning?
thinking. I'm putting everything
Okay,
You're
together.
right. That's what I'm trying to do also.
No.
I'm not
Okay,
trying to do
quiet.
also.
Bakit si Kuya Jolo, we're trusting you too
Kaya
much.
nga
ah.
eh.
Let's
No,
put.
it's
Parang we're too
Let's put it to a vote now.
Wala pang vote.
Waki.
Wait lang, wala pa.
Wala pang vote.
Hindi, nagdi-deliberate. Nagdi-deliberate.
Hindi pa tayo isa dyan.
Waki, you think?
Nakaka yung ilong ni Mika eh.
Waki, you think it's your mom?
Kasi you're making a big mistake. I-save mo.
Ikaw ba?
Para ka.
Hindi survivor, please.
Sinungaling ka.
Yung mata niya. Yung mata, watery na eh.
Ang dali lang. Waki, quiet. Quiet. Waki.
Bakit, Waki?
Yes, and
He made the same face when he was lying to Tatay.
Oo, kilala ko na saan sinungaling yan.
Wait lang, you guys might...
Do you think it's Waki also? Waki also?
Not right now, but...
There is
Oh,
lang.
do you think it's
Because my
maybe
vote
it's
really
Tita
is
Marivic?
Tita Marivic. But
Tita Marivic and Ian.
Waki,
Sorry to
sandali
say,
lang.
I'm
Let's
not
hear.
smart.
Let's